welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from InkHeartsUK Industries. I would like to say a huge thank you for all the subscribers. We actually passed 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Everyone who ordered InkHeartsUK Industries t-shirts and mugs, you are absolutely awesome. Thank you so much. We carry on working on a step and then join the wheel arch together. So by the end of the video, hopefully we're gonna have everything connected, everything joined together, only using very basic tools, a hammer, a vise and a grinder. Work on this step next. I'm gonna use paper template. It's gonna be one piece so that I can join it together there. So roughly it's gonna go up to there. That's what I have to cut out with a scissor. Got the template, cut it out, following the step. I'm gonna leave this a little bit longer. If you have a closer look, do the upright separately, then have a joint piece there. Mark up on the bottom this edge, so I'm gonna see where can I start to fold to copy this here. Right, so I marked up where I have to bend it out. Just a little bit each time. Well, that's pretty good. Pretty close. Obviously it's a bit proud and still needs working around, but without any proper tools, using vise, hammer, that's pretty good. Mark up this edge, and same as I'm doing here, it's gonna be folded over and tacked along. My next piece is gonna be to join these together. What I'm gonna try to do, bend it into shape, curve it around, using this log to shape it. It would be too difficult to clamp it in place, and I also haven't got the proper clamps. Just tack it in place and carry on shaping. Make it a little bit easier to hold it in place. Slowly it's getting there. So what I'm doing now is cutting everything together and then pinch weld it to keep it in shape. I still got the original step there, slightly dropped, but I can count with this. As I got the shape pretty close what I need. By the way, there was some accident and I just revealed some I don't know how to put into words, filler, and try to make, because this curve is still the original curve, I just ignore this bit. Ignore this bit. What I'm gonna do, put some spacers like that, so I'm gonna have an almost even gap all around. Just quickly hooked up this step.
done the upright. I left it a little bit prouder so I can trim off the excess and just tack weld it together just to keep it in place, so soon the seal can come off. If I change my mind, if something's not right, it's still easy to just cut the welds and rethink it. Next one is gonna be the seal to work on.
Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.